What's going on, everybody? IiTzBurnsy here. We're out at the pit with the Outcast EXB 8S. I'm gonna go send it for its first real bash. Do some front flips. It's a front flip kind of day.
Two very boring minutes later.
Hit it.
Aww.
Oh my god.
Alright, so we're going to get this Outcast EXB set up over here. Getting the trim set up for the steering. This is the first real bash with it. I drove this thing for about 5 minutes in the grass with my son. Not even. Didn't even really take any jumps. Just driving around, make sure she was held together good. We're going to get out here and we're going to attempt our October front flip challenge for the IiTzBurnsy channel here on YouTube. We've done this challenge a few months back. This is the Outcast EXB. Again, it's for the front flip challenge. IiTzBurnsy for October. Let's go get it and see how this Outcast does. Remember, comment yourself. You can win a full M2C Beefcake setup just by commenting. You don't even need to have a YouTube channel. Just comment on the video, increase your chances. So you can win a full M2C Beefcake setup for a choice of your rig, an Arrma car, 6S, 8S, whatever it is. All you have to do is comment on this video if we win, and you'll be entered to win. Here we go. Here's the front flip for the October IiTzBurnsy challenge. Ooh, this Outcast is going to be a blast. Huh. Look at that sour.
Good job, dude.
Wow.
M2C, buddy.
Look at that moon.
I'm proud of you. That's awesome.
Holy crap, dude.
Did it bend where everyone else's bends too? Yeah, it's all. Good job, man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You only ran it like twice.
Yeah, that's the real first bash. I'm glad I had a couple of nice jumps first, but
see, his shocks are fine. At least it didn't catch on fire.
What if it started with the light? Nothing broke either, just bent that bit.